All right, cool, class. All right, class. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over the answers with you guys. Please correct them. All right. So let's try to do this is combined like terms corrections. All right. So the first one is go ahead. I'm gonna put number one. I'm gonna put 10v minus 9 plus 1 plus 7v. Okay. So remember, we're combining like terms. So we have 10v, right? Right there. So what are we going to combine it with? 7v, because they both have the variable v. So 10v plus 7v, oh, that's 17v. 17v. And then you have the constant negative 9 plus 1. Well, what's negative 9 plus 1? Well, I'm going to do a little t-chart real quick. T-chart, and I have negative 9 and the plus 1. I have negative 8. Negative 8. So that's my answer. That's it. Okay, because you have a constant and the coefficient with the variable. So my answer there is C. So make sure you're doing the work. All right, C. Number 2. Okay, number 2 is 8x plus 9x. Well, that's easy, right? 8x plus 9x. Well, they both have x's, right? It doesn't matter with the coefficient right here. It doesn't matter with the 8 and 9. It doesn't really matter. Okay, 8 plus 9. Well, that's 17. So 17 what? So 17x. All right. So there's your answer for that. That was pretty easy. So that's number 2. That should be A. All right. If you got it right, put a little check. Put a little check. If you got it wrong, just say, oh, sorry, I got that one wrong. What did I do? I added wrong, or whatever you did wrong, added wrong. Okay, so whatever you did wrong, so added wrong, whatever. Okay, so here we go. Number 3. Number 3. Oh, that's another easy one. 8a plus a 4a, right? Oh, okay, so you got a, 8a, and then plus 4a. Oh, wait, well, that's 12. No, it's 12a. 12a. All right, so that's number 3, and that should be letter C. So these are pretty easy. Number 4, okay? Number 4 is 9n plus 5 plus 3n minus 2, right? So what are you looking for? You're looking for the 9n's. Well, which one else has 9n? 9n plus 3n. Oh, what's that? 9n, 9, 10, 11. That's 12n's. So I'm going to go ahead and put 12n. All right, so far so good. 12n. And then what about the constant? 5 and a negative 2, right? So I'm going to go ahead and add that. I'm going to do t-chart 5, negative 2, positive 3, plus 3. And there you go. Can I add these two and put 15n? No, you cannot do that. Why? Because the 3 doesn't have an n. All right, you're saying that there's 15 n's. No, the 3 is a constant, so you can't. All right, so you can't add it. There's no n on 3. So there you go with 4. Okay, sorry about that. And then let's go ahead and do number 5. Okay, number 5 is k plus 4 minus 8. Okay, well, k has no coefficient, right? So what am I going to put right in front of it? Yeah, the invisible one. See that? Now, do you have any k's? No, so I could put k, leave it alone, or put a 1, it doesn't matter. So here I have the 4 and the negative 8. See that? I have a 4 and a negative 8. I'm going to do the t-chart. Okay, bam. 4 and 8. And my answer is negative what? Negative 4. And that's it. All right, so it's k minus 4, which is, I don't know what letter that is, but I don't know. I didn't write the letter down. And then number 6, oh, that's the easy one, 7r plus 3r. That's 10r. That's easy, right? Because they both have the R's. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10R. Ooh, I don't have the letter for that one. Sorry. So I'll probably get it right now. Let me see. I could get it right now. Let's see. 10R. Let's see. Let's see. No, I can't get it. Wait. Yeah, yeah. Here it is. 10R is A, and so AA. They're both AAs. All right. So they're both AAs. There you go. So A's A's. So here we go. This is an A, and this is also an A. All right. That's cool. So now we're almost halfway there. So 6. Now how about 7? Let's try 7. Ooh, wait, we're all over here, all the way over here. Here we go. 7. So 7, let's take out this advertisement. Bam. Okay. So 7 is 3. Okay. 7 is 3 plus 2x plus 7x. Well, see, the 3 has no x. Is there another constant? Nope, so leave it alone. So now what if I just, the 2x plus the 7x? Oh, well, that's 2 plus 7. That's easy, sir. That's a 9x, right? So I'm going to put 9x. 9x. And then the 3, you just drop it. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. All right? So 9x plus 3. That's it. So your answer on that is letter B. Okay? B. All right? Number 8. Okay, let's try this one. Negative 9x plus 7x. Well, they both have x's, so my answer is going to be x, right? You see that? They both have x's. See the x right here? They both have x. So now let's do the t-chart for the coefficient. So the coefficient, negative 9 plus 7, so it's negative what? Yep, negative 2x. Negative 2x. Don't forget the x. And that answer is also B. B as in burrito. I'm hungry. All right, so that's number 8. Okay, so far so good. So now let's go ahead and do number, 9. Okay, number 9. So number 9, so I gave you the easy ones, man. I said, but Thursday I'll give you guys a little bit more complicated. So 9 is 2p minus 3p. Well, they both have a p, right? They both have p's. So my answer is going to be p, but how many? Well, let's go ahead and do the t-chart. We know we got what? 2, and we have a negative 3. All right, 2 and a negative 3. 2 and then negative 3. So my answer is negative, and I subtract, so it's 1. So negative 1, or leave it alone. I could do this, negative 1p, or just negative p, because we know there's a 1. So that answer is letter A. Okay, so far so good. Remember, if you got it right, put a little check. If you got this t-chart, yep, that's right, that's right. All right, oh, yeah, I did the t-chart, that's right, okay. All right, so there you go. And then number 10. Number 10 is, oh, that's an easy one. Oh, man, give you easy ones. 10 is 5p, another p, plus 4p. Well, I know that it's going to be p because they're both peeing right there. Wait, did I say they're both peeing? No, they both have p's. I'm sorry. So then 5 plus 4, oh, that's easy. That's 9. So 9p, and your letter is T for that. All right? So that's easy. So you don't have to do much work on that. All right, 9, 10. Now let's go ahead and do 11. 11. All right, 11. Yeah. So number 11. Here we go. How about 11? 11. All right. So here we have 5v, right? 5v plus 6 plus 4. Now, all these other terms don't have a v. This 5v is by itself. So just leave it alone, right? Yeah, leave it alone. And then what about the 6 plus the 4? Well, they're constants, right? 6 plus 4, that's easy. That's 10. I don't have to do the t-chart, right? So we're done. See? That was pretty easy. So that's going to be letter B. All right? Cool. All right, let me try the next one. Number 12. 12. 12. Here we go. Negative 5a plus 5a. Now, here they both have a's, right? They both have a's, so I could do the t-chart and include the a's, right? 5a and then 5a. Well, who won? No one did. Oh, 0. It's not a because then that would be 1a. All right, so don't put a. It's 0. Nobody. Nothing. All right, cool. So far, so good. All right, here we go. Let's do it. Check it. If you got it right, put a little check. I got it right. I got it right. Yeah. All right, here we go. 13. So now we're going back to what we were learning before. And I'll do 14 here. Okay, so here we have a parentheses -2, but you're not multiplying with anything, so just leave it alone. So -2, right? And then -5. So then I'm going to do the t-chart, okay? -2 minus 5. So my answer is negative. How many? Yeah, you add them, so -7. Very good. So your answer is -7. That's C. Put a little check, check, right? What about this one? This one, I got what? I got a 4, which is positive, and a -8, right? So now I'm going to do t-chart, all right? 4 positive and 8 are negatives. So my answer is negative what? Yep, -4. You subtract. So then your answer is C. All right, C, so far so good? All right. Last two. Last two. Here we go. 15. 16. All right, here we go. So, oh man, this is an easy one. 5 take away 2. Hello, that's 3. 5 take away 2, that's 3. So your answer is D on that. And then here, -5 plus a -5, right? If this is not multiplication, this is not plus 25. All right, no, 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 no. You're adding. So when we're adding, we got to do the t-chart. Okay, so -5, and we're adding another -5. So your answer is negative. And how many? Well, there's 5 and 5, so that's 10. And there's your answer. All right, and that's going to be also D. All right, guys, that's it. That's your work. Make sure you grade it. Make sure you have X's. Like, yep, I got it. All right, I did the work. Boom, boom. If you got it wrong, it's okay. What did you do wrong? What did you do wrong? And that's it. All right? All right, thank you very much. Grade it, please. Grade it. And we're done. All right, here we go. Adios.